Good day, sir and madam. I am Mary Andy Castro, 40 years old, married and blessed with 3 kids, 14, 12, and 3 years old. I live in Hinatilan, Cebu, Philippines. We are 4 in the family, 3 girls and 1 boy. I am a college graduate and a Roman Catholic. My mother is a plain housewife and my father is deceased. My hobbies are cooking and dancing. I worked in Singapore before as a housemaid since 2006 to 2008. I am serving 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 kids. My main duties are taking care of the newborn, cleaning the house, cooking, washing the dishes, washing clothes, and ironing. To my future employers, sir, madam, if given a chance to work with you, I can assure you that I can do my duties and responsibilities as a housemaid. I will treat your family as my own family and I will finish my contract. Thank you and God bless.